Assalamualaikum and good evening to everyone. We are from Group 5 from PMM 1213 Static for SEM 2. Today we are going to present our project. I am your Eliana Habitat Rahman and your first presenter. Static is the branch of classical mechanics that is concerned with the analysis of force and torque acting on a physical system that does not experience an acceleration, but rather it is in equilibrium with its environment. Static of the equilibrium of bodies can be stated that the object is at rest or the object is moving with constant velocity. The basic quantities of static are length, mass, time, and force. In this project, we are going to solve a static-related problem. The problem that we choose is the rod that hang a lamp. The reason that we choose this problem is that it can use to calculate the force that acting on the rod, moment, centroid, and center of the object. To solve this problem, we need to assume sum of the force. There are several equations that we need to use for this calculation, which are the equation of equilibrium for rigid body. The first one is the summation total force is 0 and the summation of moment is 0. A rigid body will remain in equilibrium provided the sum of all the external forces acting on the body equal to 0 and sum of the moments of the external forces about a point equal to 0. We also use the general formulas such as the formula to calculate the area of triangle, rectangle, square, and semicircle. Next, I will pass to the next presenter. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Yong Ziwei, number metric KA23073. Next, I'm going to talk about the objective of this project, which are to calculate the summation force of x-axis, to calculate the summation force of y-axis, to calculate the moment, to calculate the centroid of x and y, and to determine the center of the object. First thing we need to have for the calculation is the free body diagram. A free body diagram is a graphical illusion used to visualize the applied forces, moments, and resulting reactions on the body in a given condition. It is a tool used to solve engineering mechanics problems by isolating the body from all other objects and surface around it. It depicts a body or connected bodies with all the applied forces and moments and reactions which act on the body. This is the free body diagram of our problems. We have assumed sum of the forces for each of the point from A to J. Force A, which is 20 Newton, is acting to right. Force B is 30 Newtons. Force C is 40 Newton, and Force D is 80 Newton, which is forcing downward. Force E is unknown that we need to calculate is forcing to left. At point F and point J, it have two force acting at that point. We separate them by X and Y. The force Fx is 30 Newton acting to left and force Fy is 60 Newton acting upward. Both of the force at point J is unknown and need to calculate. For the calculation, I will pass to the next presenter to calculate it.
Good morning everyone, my name is Belinda Cho Jin Kwan, matrix number KA23085, and I will continue the presentation. To calculate the unknown force, we need to use the formula summation of force is equal to 0, and when the summation force at y-axis is 0, we can get the value for the force Fjy, which is 20 Newton. And by using the equation summation for force at x-axis is 0, then we still have two unknown force. So we need to use the moment equation. And from the moment equation, we will get the value for Fe, which is 201.25 Newton. Then we substitute the value for Fe into equation and get the value for the Fjx, which is 211.25 Newton. Next is the calculation for centroid and center. First, we divide the body into number of composite parts that have simple shape such as semicircle, square, rectangle, and triangle. Then we calculate the area for each segment and centroid by using the formula. Then we multiply the centroid x and y with the area and get the total of 3 of them. The total area for the segment is 1753.0965 centimeters square, and the total of centroid x multiple with area of 1364247.72 centimeters square, and the total of the centroid y is multiple with area is 11691x6.301 centimeters square. And for the next calculation of the center, and I will pass to the next presenter. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Nur Shazrin and my matrix number is KA23074. We're using the formula to get the center of the object, which is x equal to 80 and y equal to 68.6515. In conclusion, in this project, we explore the fundamental principles of statics through the calculation of the summation of forces, moment, and the determination of the center of a given object. By meticulously applying this principle, we were able to achieve a comprehensive understanding of how forces and moments interact to maintain equilibrium in static system. The summation of forces allow us to ensure that all forces acting on the object are balanced, indicating that the object remains in a state of static equilibrium. Similarly, by calculating the summation of moments, we confirm that the rotational force were balanced, preventing any unintentional rotation. And lastly, determining the centroid provided insight in the object's geometric center of mass, a crucial aspect for predicting its behavior under various loading conditions. And that's all for our group. Thank you.